Today, let's learn how to create headings in HTML. So let's try first to create an HTML file. So as you've noticed, or as you've seen, I've already created an HTML file and rename it as exercise_02.html. Okay, so let's now start coding our HTML. Okay, so the very first thing that we need to do is we need to create a template. So HTML head body. Okay, let's try to add our title. Okay, so let's try to use HTML headings. Okay, so we can only use from 1 up until 6. So how are we going to do this? So we have your H1. Let's try to copy paste 4, 5, and 6. Then let's try to rename 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay. So try to put contents. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Okay, so this is how you would use your headings in HTML. So let's this time let's like to preview our HTML file. So you can click run. So in my case, I have Firefox installed on my computer. So I'm just going to click run, then launch Firefox. Launch in Firefox. Okay. So let me try to show you. Okay. Now as you can see, you have here on top heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Heading 1 is the biggest. Now this heading 1 is usually used for title pages. So let's say, for example, you want to create a title for your page, then you use heading 1. Maybe for subtitle, you can use also heading 2. Okay. For heading 3, 4, 5, and 6, personally, I don't use 3 to 6. I only use heading 1 and 2. Okay. So that's it. Click subscribe on my channel if you find the contents useful. Okay, so thank you very much.